Hey, Stephen here again. I thought I'd just do a quick video about my problem I had with this. This is a Lexus GS300. It's just a 2005 model. So I used to have a problem with the front headlights where it's got the automatic or adaptive light sensing. So it's got a sensor in the back, which I thought was the issue. So I looked online a few times. I'm not sure which side it is, but it's left or yeah, I can't quite remember. But there is a sensor in the back that I was going to look at replacing, and ended up not doing that. But basically, if I fire this car up, so what you have is lights in the front there. Anyone that's got one of these cars is probably pretty aware of this sensor. So basically, if I just focus in on that, it's a little bit of a, I thought I'd just do a quick video on this. So that's the AFS. Basically at the moment it's just turned off, which is manually done via the switch on the controls just down here. So basically if I hit that, when I find it, the button up here, I can turn that manually on and off. So what was happening, what I'd do is I'd get into the car, I'd start it up, and then the systems would do the test, and that light would start flashing away. And everything I read pointed to basically it being the sensor in the back, which needed to be cleaned or replaced or repaired. And I went and watched a lot of YouTube videos and stuff on it, and turned out that all I needed to do was replace the battery in the car, because I went away on holiday and basically the battery went flat. Went to restart the car and it just basically didn't start. So my fault was, you'd get into the car, you got to start it up, it'd do the tests, it would come up okay, it would start, and then after a couple of seconds that light would start flashing. Turn off the car again, restart it, and then the light would stop flashing, and that was pretty much it. So, so as you can see now, it's got a brand new battery, got no problems with that at all, it just starts up. And the light eventually, I must have actually hit that, so that light's fine now. I've never had any trouble since I replaced the battery. I've never had any more trouble with this AFS sensor again, so that's probably saved me. I mean, it cost me a bit of money for the battery obviously, but it saved me time and money and energy trying to fix something that potentially wasn't a problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a real quick video. Not a great video, but I thought I'd just share that as best I can, and I'll leave you to it. Cheers.